Today our topic is, how to create Twitter account. Let's get started. Go to Chrome. Type here Twitter sign in for new account. Click on website. Create now Twitter. Click on sign up. Here you type your name. Enter your phone number. Insert your date of birth. After all, click on Next. Again Next. And then click on Sign Up. Then, OK. Get a 6-digit verification code from your phone number. And insert here. Click on the Next. Enter your secure password. Make sure it is more than 8 characters. Then click on Next. You can insert here your photo. If not, then click on Skip for now. Again skip. Click on Next. Click on Next. Allow the notification. To get the notification, then click on OK. Congratulations, Twitter account has been created.